Hey everyone, today I'm diving into ModelScope Civision, a fully free AI platform for creators and developers. You can generate images, create videos, and train LoRa models, all online. No GPU or payment needed. This platform is 100% free Civitai, meaning every feature is accessible without spending a dime. Plus, I'll show you how to join the Qwen Image LoRa online hackathon and claim extra credits with a special invite code. Start by visiting modelscope.ai/civision/home. ModelScope is like Hugging Face combined with Civitai, completely open source. You get free API inference, unlimited cloud storage, and 2,000 free inferences per day. When you register using the invite code QWENDAY, you receive 100 bonus credits. You can use these for image generation, video creation, or LoRa training. This gives you a running start. Go to modelscope.ai/civision/image generation. Choose a model, like Qwen image. Enter a text prompt for your image. For example, futuristic city skyline at sunset, in cinematic style, ultra-detailed, vibrant colors. Adjust the settings, resolution, style, steps, then click Generate, and wait for your output. Or save your image for later use. Here's an example of what I generated. You can experiment with different prompts and styles. Daily credits are free, and you can earn extra through community tasks. Visit modelscope.ai/civision/video generation. Select your preferred model or template. Enter a video prompt. Example: a robot exploring a neon-lit cyberpunk city, cinematic camera angles, smooth motion. Set the duration, frame rate, and other options. Then click Generate. Preview and download your AI video when ready. Everything runs in the cloud, so no heavy GPU is needed. It's perfect for creators who want to make AI videos quickly and efficiently. Open modelscope.ai/civision/model training. Choose a base model, like Qwen image, and upload your dataset, images, or annotations. Configure training parameters such as steps, learning rate, and resolution. Use your daily MagicCube credits to start training and monitor progress online. Once complete, download or export your LoRa model. You can integrate it into Comfy UI or other compatible workflows. Remember, using invite code QWENDAY gives 100 extra credits for faster training and more experimentation. ModelScope is hosting the Qwen Image LoRa online hackathon. 2 tracks are available: AI for production, for real-world applications, and AI for good, for social impact. Prizes include the iPhone 17 Pro Max, PS5, $800 gift cards, and Community Spotlight. Participation is fully online and free, using your daily ModelScope credits. Deadline: March 1st, 2026. How to join: fine-tune a Qwen image LoRa, share your generated images or videos on X/Twitter, and submit your entry through the hackathon portal. Don't forget to use invite code QWENDAY to get 100 bonus credits for your training. It gives you an immediate edge in the competition. So that's a full walkthrough of ModelScope Civision. You can generate images, create videos, and train LoRa models, all online, free, with unlimited storage. Share your creations in the comments. I'd love to see what you build.